Hello, English learners! Today, we will learn about a very useful idiom. Slow and steady wins the race. Imagine you have a big project due, and you see your friend rushing to finish it all at once, while you plan to work on it a little bit each day. One day, my friend, Alex, heard someone say, "Slow and steady wins the race," and he thought it meant literally moving very slowly to win a running competition. He even tried to walk like a tortoise during his school's sports day, which, as you can imagine, did not help him win any races. So, what does slow and steady wins the race truly mean? It means that consistent effort, even if it's small steps, leads to success over time, rather than rushing or giving up. This idiom comes from an ancient fable by Aesop called The Tortoise and the Hare, where a slow tortoise beats a fast hare because the hare stops to rest. Let's imagine a student named Maya who wants to learn to play the guitar. Instead of practicing for many hours just once a week, she practices for 15 minutes every single day. Her friend, Sam, tries to learn quickly by practicing for 3 hours only on Saturdays, but he often forgets what he learned during the week. After a few months, Maya can play many songs beautifully, while Sam is still struggling with basic chords. Maya's consistent, small efforts helped her succeed. Here are some example sentences using our idiom. First, if you want to learn a new language, remember, slow and steady wins the race. Second, don't try to finish the entire book in one night. Slow and steady wins the race when studying for exams. Third, building a successful business takes time and patience. Slow and steady wins the race. To help you remember, think of a tortoise and a hare. The tortoise is slow and steady, and it wins. The hare is fast but stops, and it loses. This simple image reminds us that consistent, small steps are more effective than quick, inconsistent bursts of effort. The fable of the tortoise and the hare is thousands of years old, showing that this wisdom has been passed down through many generations and cultures. It teaches us about perseverance and the dangers of overconfidence, lessons that are still very important today. Let's look at some related sayings. Similar idioms include, patience is a virtue, meaning it's good to be patient. Another similar idiom is Rome wasn't built in a day, meaning important things take a long time to create. And practice makes perfect, which means repeating an activity helps you become very good at it. Opposite idioms include, strike while the iron is hot, meaning to act quickly when there is a good opportunity. Also, time is money, which means time is valuable and should not be wasted. And haste makes waste, meaning doing things too quickly often leads to mistakes. Some related idioms are, one step at a time, meaning to deal with one thing before moving to the next. Also, keep your eye on the prize, meaning to stay focused on your goal. And every journey begins with a single step, highlighting the importance of starting. A common mistake is using slow and steady to mean literally moving slowly. Remember, it's about consistent effort, not speed. Another mistake is thinking it means being lazy. It's about working smart and consistently, not avoiding work. Now, for a quick quiz. Which sentence best uses the idiom slow and steady wins the race? Choice A, the car was slow and steady, so it won the race. Choice B, by studying a little each day, she passed the exam. Slow and steady wins the race. Choice C, he walked slowly and steadily to the finish line, winning the race. The correct answer is B. To recap, slow and steady wins the race means that consistent, patient effort leads to success, just like the tortoise in the fable. It's about perseverance and not giving up, even when progress seems small. Now it's your turn. How will you apply slow and steady wins the race in your own life or studies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.